A loaf of oat bread made from freshly milled flour. The oats on the inside and outside were freshly flaked from oat groats. Freshly milled flour and oat groats are the perfect combination. Why? Because the grains are alive. You will not find this at your local grocery store. And did you know that there are 40 to 44 nutrients in freshly milled flour? Now, this bread is packaged and ready for the freezer. And you might ask, why didn't she slice the bread before putting it in the freezer? Because there is bread that's readily available. Now, once I'm ready to use this loaf of bread, all I have to do is take it out of the freezer and allow the bread to thaw in the refrigerator. Because if I leave it on the counter, fresh from the freezer, that causes condensation. So once the bread is thawed in the refrigerator, I'm just going to take it out, slice it, and refreeze it in the same packaging. So easy. And this bread is so delicious. Press it together, it will spring back. I hope you're having a great day, and remember, Jesus loves you.